So good morning everyone, this is Rajesh from Department of Information Technology. Today I am going to take about NodeMCU in which we are going to do CSS coding inside the NodeMCU chip. So first of all, NodeMCU is ESP8266 can host web pages over Wi-Fi devices. So it doesn't need any internet connections, but it can also give a web page hosting in the process. So it is a Wi-Fi device which can act as a server for a web page hosting. So there are two main methods used in CSS. One is internal and one is external. Internal is embedded and external is file system. So method 1, internal CSS embedded. In this method, CSS is written directly inside the Arduino code using style tags. So it works like a CSS is stored as a string variable sent to the browser using server.send method. The advantages are simple and quick, no additional files required, and disadvantages difficult to manage for large projects, make code cluttered. Simply speaking, if a code is size 1000 and we have to go for everyday application, we have to go for process in the embedded chip. So we get a code string index underscore HTML equal to document type HTML style body background and font family button padding. Button is nothing but a clicking button that like OK. So in which the color is embedded and the other things are given, similar to an HTML page. So after that we go for a NodeMCU control as a header, and we link the button to a href and the button as a on, and we close the HTML tag. It's a simple coding which are going to embed inside the Arduino Uno board or a NodeMCU board. So NodeMCU board actually receives these things and send the message to operating devices. So the method 2 is external CSS. CSS is an individual file stored in a .css file. So in which the file is using little fs or SPIFFS. So advantages are clear and more organized, easy to maintain, sustainable for large projects. So while we changes the code, we can easily change this in the outside the file, and during the process the NodeMCU can call the file inside the program. Workflow for external CSS are create a folder, name, data in your project. After that add style.css, that is the file name given to the CSS file. Upload the file little fs uploader. Link the CSS in the HTML file like linked rel equal to under the double quotes style sheet, then href equal to style.css. It should be given in the double quotes. So this is how we create an external CSS in which we can alter and modify however we need in the project file. The server handling, NodeMCU must respond to CSS file request with the correct MIME type. That is server.send within bracket 200 text slash CSS CSS content. This is the main syntax for how we do the process in a NodeMCU chip. So recommended tools and libraries are Arduino IDE, ESP, Async Web Server, little fs or SPIFFS. So we have used little fs. So optional enhancement, use CSS framework like Bootstrap, use CDN if internet is available. After that we go for post feed CSS local. So let's go into the program first. So this is the string index HTML. We are going to actually run in online GDP compiler. So now Node MCU needed an Arduino IDE, so which is currently we are not able to provide to you. So I am going to run this program in the online GDP compiler. So as per the example program we are given in the slide, so the same program is edited in this compiler. So we go for, so before that we go select the language as HTML, command JS and CSS. After that we go for run. So as per the coding, the string HTML consists of NodeMCU as a header, and we got a button also. So while clicking the button, after we click the found, there is nothing found because we didn't get any stuff in it. So in Arduino, if we click the on button, the NodeMCU enables itself. So the light beeps or a beep sound is given from the NodeMCU process. So thank you for your valuable time, and if there is any question you can comment me. Thank you for your process.